The best roast chicken is crisp and crunchy on the outside and succulent and juicy on the inside. And we've got the best and quickest way to do it, which is literally flat out on the barbie.
Well, we've got a beautiful chicken here, nice free-range chicken, but I need to take the spine out of this so we can flatten it out. So the easiest way is to get a really nice, good, strong knife. I'm just going to put my cleaver in either side of that spine and we're just going to cut it out. Now here, we're just going to flip it over, push it down with the back of our hands. And so now we need to sort of secure this chicken so it stays nice and flat. And the easiest way to do that is with a skewer from point to point. So now, when it's on the barbecue, I can just lift it up like this.
Brilliant.
Now we need to marinate it. We've got a Pyrex dish here, again, a non-reactive dish. We've got piri-piri marinade, which is here. It's got chili in it, sort of oregano, paprika, smoked paprika. Pour the marinade all over the chicken. Okay,
that's good.
Just make sure it's all marinated really well. So this has been marinating in the fridge for about an hour. We've had it out of the fridge now for about half an hour, just so it comes kind of up to room temperature. The barbecue's been preheated, lid down. Let's move it to medium now, and we'll place it skin side down, directly over the heat that is on.
Yep.
And we're going to give it 5 minutes, just so we can caramelise, get all that skin nice and charred and crispy. Then we're going to turn it over, do the same thing on the other side. So it's had 10 minutes now, 5 minutes each side, direct cooking with the heat right underneath it. So now what we'll do is we'll take the chicken and we'll shimmy it down the barbecue. This one is completely off. And that will take as long as it takes, I'd say 25 minutes. And then we've got some corn to go on. And what I'll do with the corn is I'll just put it onto the barbecue like so, just to char it, we'll turn it. Okay, let's take the chicken. See, it stays nice and flat and then straight through with your knife like this. We're just going to joint it. That just screams summer
Incredible.
barbecue.
Easiest way to entertain.
Indeed.